Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save your own IGTV videos, Instagram photos and videos to your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an Instagram account, photos and videos that you have posted, an IGTV account to post a couple of videos to there. And you must have the ownership and rights to all the content you produce and post to these applications. So now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Instagram and see what you have posted. We have a couple of photos and videos. A video also posted to IGTV. So now minimize Safari and then go to the dock again. Go to Launchpad, go to an application called 4K Storegram. Now this application, you can either purchase. When you do purchase, you are then able to download many accounts worth of photos and videos that you own. You are not allowed to download somebody else's photos and videos and then start reusing the content, as this is against the copyright laws. And you are abusing the copyright system unless it's fair use. Click on 4K Storegram. And now we can see that my photos and videos and IGTV videos are all being saved to my computer, as I own the rights to these photos and videos. Some of the videos posted to IGTV are actually my own YouTube videos. Go to the dock. Go to Finder, go to Pictures, go to 4K Storegram, Computer Science Videos, my own video photo IGTV catalog, save to my desktop computer. Click the IGTV video, open up a couple of photos, 1, 2, another video. Minimize, close, minimize, minimize, minimize. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.